In the heart of the Cold War era, the iron grip of communism began to loosen in Eastern Europe, sparking a wave of unparalleled change. The context was set in the late 1980s, a time when the people of Eastern Europe yearned for freedom and democracy, longing to free themselves from the suffocating rule of the Soviet Union. In Poland, Solidarity, a trade union, led the charge against the communist government, with Lech Walesa at its helm. The Gdansk Agreement, a historic compromise, was signed in 1980, marking a significant step towards Poland's independence. However, the Soviet Union was not ready to let go of its control easily. Martial law was imposed in 1981, but the spirit of the Polish people was not deterred. They continued to resist, their resolve only strengthened. In Hungary, the fall of the Berlin Wall in 1989 inspired a revolution. Thousands of Hungarians flooded the border with Austria, demanding freedom. The Hungarian government, under the leadership of Miklos Nemeth, agreed to open the border, setting a precedent for the rest of Eastern Europe. In Romania, Nicolae Ceausescu clung to power, refusing to reform. The people's patience wore thin, and in December 1989, a massive uprising forced him from power. Ceausescu and his wife were executed, ending a tumultuous 24-year reign. Czechoslovakia, too, saw a peaceful revolution. The Velvet Revolution, led by Václav Havel, brought an end to communism and ushered in a new era of democracy. Bulgaria, Albania, and other Eastern European nations followed suit, their people yearning for the same freedom and democracy. The fall of communism in Eastern Europe marked the end of an era, the beginning of a new chapter in the history of these nations. As the 20th century drew to a close, the people of Eastern Europe stood tall, their spirits unbroken, their resolve unwavering. They had triumphed over communism, their courage and determination serving as a beacon of hope for generations to come.